It's a salty life. It's a salty life.
Oh, yeah. Good day, everyone, and welcome to our video of Disney Pop Century Resort. We're going to just show you around the property a little bit, give you the ins and outs. One of the reasons that we chose to stay here is, well, A, price. It's one of your more budget-friendly resorts that Disney has to offer. And one of the other reasons was the Skyliner is one of the modes of transportation you can take besides buses. The Skyliner station is right there for you. Just walk out of the resort and hop on the Skyliner. One thing I will say is the Skyliner can get very busy in the mornings. So we're going to different parks in the morning. So we did not use the Skyliner in the morning, but it was very convenient to bring it back to the hotel at night. And you can do that from either Epcot or Hollywood Studios. All this cool stuff to see, though. All these statues and just the nostalgia from the different areas. We stayed in the 50s and 60s area, which is more toward the front of the property, which for us seemed more convenient to the main hall. So the restaurant was right there, and the buses are right out front. Some of these different areas are very cool, but they seem a little far to walk depending on where you want to go. And if you want to get up in the morning and go to the parks, obviously it's nicer to be a little closer to where the buses end up picking you up, which is right out in front of that hall. As you see, there's the store. Of course, you're going to go in there and spend all kind of money on Disney merchandise, and they have exclusive Pop Century merchandise. They've also got wine and spirits. If you've forgotten anything, you can pick that up, and the restaurant is back in the back, so you can get you some breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There's a look at the area where you'll see the main pool, the Hippy Dippy pool. There's Petals, which is the bar where you can get some tropical drinks and you can get some food items. Not a ton of food there, but you can get a couple sandwiches and you can get Mickey pretzels for the kiddos, which is great. And now for the room tour. All right, come on in. Let's check it out. So this is we're in 3?
Building 3.
Building 3.
3303.
In the 50s.
Yes.
50s and 60s, or just 50s? I don't know. I
This
really
is
don't.
the 50s building.
You know, this place is pretty spread out. Anyway, this is our, I almost said cabin because I'm used to doing cruise videos. Our room, and nice little fridge here. You got a coffee maker. You even got Joffrey's coffee. Looky there if you're a Joffrey's coffee fan. Pro tip, you guys probably already know this, but bring your own beverages because, Disney prices, you know how that is. Anyway, I probably shouldn't have to tell you that, but anyway, I figured I would. Nice TV welcoming us. Let's see. Safe. Something you don't see in hotels very often anymore. A Bible, which is, I like that. That's nice because, I don't think you really see that much anymore, do you?
Yeah, I don't recall.
Dressers. Got plenty of charging and power out here. And same with either side of the bed. So if you have 8 cell phones, which you might, because if you have kids here, I'm sure they all have a phone as well. So yeah, got a pull out. We don't have anybody to put the pull out on, but you may. So there you go.
I mean, at least Jay's, not made that needed yet.
Yeah. Anyway, let's move on. Bathroom. And we've even got Why do I still have my sunglasses on? Mickey soap. You can't get the Mickey soap at the Holiday Inn we normally stay at.
Nope.
If you want to see those videos, we do have some Holiday Inn videos from Lake Buena Vista. If you want to stay at the Holiday Inn, which is a good option as well, it's much cheaper. Bathroom. Hey. Shampoo,
get in there.
conditioner, body wash.
Let me see what we're working with here.
What brand is that? Sea Marine? Okay. Anyway, I do like that you don't have to bring that stuff anymore. It's kind of nice because I will forget. Trust me. As much as I travel, you'd think I'd remember these things, but I don't. Little place to hang up stuff. And it's a pretty bare bones room, but it'll do just fine. It seems clean.
Yeah.
For sure. But let's go outside so you can see where exactly this room is in relation to pools and such.
Yeah, this is considered a pool room.
Yes.
Or a pool view.
Standard pool
Standard
room.
pool
view.
Yeah. We'll show you kind of here out the window.
Yeah. Well, we can walk outside too.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
We didn't bring any, things to hang on the window like some people do.
Yeah. Yeah, we weren't really,
Feels like, we're first-time cruisers. Where did he go?
How we gonna get
I
back
had my
in?
phone in my pocket.
Okay. Okay,
I thought about that.
So stepping outside, here is the bowling pin pool. If you look carefully, you can see that it is shaped like a bowling pin. It's pretty cool. I'm glad we're over here because over by is it the Hibbity Dibbity?
Hippy dippy pool.
Hibbity Dibbity. I like Hibbity Dibbity better. Hippy Dippy. Is that what it's called, really?
Hippy dippy.
Hippy Dippy. Okay. Over there, there's a little more action. I'm sure the kiddos would want to be over there because they're playing games and they got music going. However, the bar is over there. So it's like, there's no bar over here. Anyway, that's okay. You can just walk over there and grab you something, but it's way more chill over here. There is a third pool in the 90s area, I think.
Yeah, in the 80s and 90s. The computer pool?
Computer pool. I want to check that out. But anyway, we got Lady and the Tramp that watches over us. Why does Lady look so sad?
I don't know.
Maybe because she's so far away.
Maybe.
But anyway, we're just getting the lay of the land here because we just got here not long ago. The Skyliner is right over there.
You can go to Hollywood Studios.
Yeah, that place.
Mm-hmm. And you can also go to a couple different resorts with the Skyliner.
Yeah, and then if you go over to Epcot, you can walk to the boardwalk.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay, I'm trying to figure all this out. It's a little confusing. I'm used to the Holiday Inn and getting in a car, taking an Uber.
Yeah, exactly.
This is completely new
This
to
is
me.
new navigation for us.
Anyway,
It's like we're first-time cruisers,
Yeah, I kind of feel that way. I mean, we've been to Disney how many times, and we've never stayed on property. Anyway, so should we call it?
We're
here?
gonna call it.
I
Yeah,
think
we're gonna
good.
go get in the pool.
Anyway, just wanted to show you the
Easy now. You break it, you buy it.
yeah, show you the room, show you exactly where we're at. Right up at the front, there's food. The cool thing, just real quick, and then we'll get out of here. Coming in, you can actually just scan in with your phone or with your Magic Band if you have it set up, and you can go straight to your room if your room is ready. And you can see that all on your phone. So you definitely want to have your phone handy for all these things. But I think that's it.
That it?